This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Becky Watwood. Close to the beach with income potential. Live in one side and rent out the other or rent it all out. Each side has 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, laundry room, deck with some ocean views upstairs, main living/kitchen/dining areas plus half bath downstairs and a single car garage. Fenced backyard, minutes to beach and restaurants. 229 is vacant for easy showings. Pictures are from that unit. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Watwood at 541-661-1506.